I'm really enjoying this Alaska trip. Thank you very much, Atomy Canada. I hope to come back next year as Star Master, and hope you are here with me along with the trip. Thank you.
We're really enjoying Alaska promotion trip. Let's go next time together.
Next time, I want everybody come to here to enjoy this trip. Wow, it's good. Come to Alaska.